It's National Surprise Day on the island of Sodor, where engines like to play pranks on each other. 4 cheeky engines have dressed up as supervillains. Looks like a job for the Avengers. Can you guess who the 4 cheeky engines are? Engines, welcome to the grand opening of Sodor's new Steamworks repair station, which will be run by these two minions.
Hello, hey.
If you ever need anything repaired, come straight here. Okay, back to work.
Oh look, our first customer. Hello, how can we help?
Hi, my brakes aren't working as well as they should be.
No problem. Now is it orange for brakes or green? Green. Try that.
Okay, whoa! I can't stop.
It's orange for brakes. Oh.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh dear.
Orange for brakes.
Ah, that feels better. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Hi, guys. My jet isn't working.
Okay. Aha. Hehe. Let's fill it up. Try it now. Okay. Oh, you have a look. Come on. It's working! Oh, good. What? Oh! That's better.
Thanks, guys. Let's just hope you didn't put too much fuel in.
Too much fuel. Whoops.
I'm not feeling too well. Can you help me?
Banana?
Oh no, I don't like bananas.
What?
I do like fish though.
I know. Thomas?
I can't speak right now. Too much fuel.
Oh yeah. I'll try Percy.
Hello?
Percy! We need fish! Now!
I'm on it.
Thanks, Percy. It's on its way.
Ah, thanks. Here's your fish, guys.
Thanks, Percy.
Oh, I'm feeling much better already. Thanks for the fish. Bye.
Bye. Phew, almost closing time.
Whew, I finally stopped.
Oh dear. You look awful. Too much fuel?
Yes, you put too much fuel in.
We'll clean you up. Ta-da!
Ah, thanks guys. Well, eventually.
Bye! Let's close up. Are we forgetting anything? No, I don't think so. Let's go.
Guys, you forgot to put the track back. Guys? Oh dear. Thomas was very excited because Sir Topham Hatt had a special job for him to do.
Thomas, the carnival is coming up, so I'll need you to bring the dragon.
What a very special job indeed. So he picked it up and very proudly puffed around Sodor with it. The dragon even had a light inside, so the carnival could continue into the night. Unfortunately, it started to rain. Oh no, this dragon can't get wet. It's made of paper. He quickly looked around for shelter and saw a cave. Perfect. So he reversed the dragon into it. This rain isn't going to stop anytime soon. I'll come back for the dragon when the rain stops. And off he went to do some other jobs, leaving the dragon alone in the cave.
Hi, Thomas.
Thomas passed some minions who were out for a lovely walk in the rain.
This is nice. Ah! Dragon! What? No way. Dragon!
They decided that they had to do something about it. They carefully approached it and gave it a small nudge. But they thought that they'd angered it.
Ah! Run! Run! Ah!
But they'd actually just turned on the light inside the dragon.
Phew! We need a new plan.
So they came up with something bigger.
Phew!
Their plan was to use this giant burger to lure the dragon out of the cave, and then hopefully it will run away.
Let's do it. Hoo! 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 Hey, dragon! Eat burger! Whew. Did he eat it? No. Oh, come on. This is a smart dragon.
They needed a new plan again.
Heh, fireworks.
They were going to blow up the tunnel with the dragon inside.
Heh, more fireworks? Oh yeah.
They collected 2 more firework trucks. But then they realised something. It was raining, so they couldn't light the fireworks.
Oh.
But then it stopped raining.
Hooray!
So they lit the fireworks and pushed them into place.
Heh, run! Run!
They ran into Thomas. Hello again. I take it you've seen my dragon.
Huh? Your dragon?
Yes, it's in that cave over there.
Uh-oh.
Thomas saw the lit firework trucks in the cave and acted quickly. They went off safely.
Ooh, pretty.
That was close.
Sorry we almost destroyed your dragon.
Don't worry guys, you were only making sure Sodor was safe. So Thomas collected the dragon and delivered it to the carnival.
The Minions were relaxing at the beach.
Found something. We have an egg.
I'll steam over to help you open it, said Thomas.
Okay.
The Minions then opened the egg. Minions, there are 3 more eggs around the island which need to be opened. How about we work together to collect them? Asked Thomas.
Yeah, okay.
So they hopped on the train.
I know.
They painted one of the Minions purple as a disguise. The Minions open the egg. The Minions got off the truck and grabbed the egg.
Ooh, handsome.
The egg was opened.
Groove.
What a nice collection of prizes. Pups, said Thomas, I've hidden a surprise behind each coloured door. Marshall, as you're red, you have to bring something red to the red door. Rocky, you have the green door. Chase, you have the blue door. And Rubble, you have the yellow door. Now go and find something for your coloured door. Can I borrow you? Said Rubble.
Yeah, sure. Ah. Yay!
Well done, Rubble, cried Thomas. The minion is yellow, so you can open the yellow door. Inside the yellow ball was Gru. How is everyone else doing? Can I borrow you, Sully? Asked Marshall. Of course, replied Sully. That's not red. Whoops, said Marshall. I'll try again. You're green, shouted Rocky. Can I catch a ride back to the garage with you? And they slithered away. Congratulations, you brought a green snake, so you can open the green door. Inside the green masham was the Ninja Turtle, Michelangelo. Only 2 doors left. Hey Batman, can you come with me to the garage? Asked Chase.
Let's roll.
Silly Chase, Batman's not blue.
Hold on. Here you go.
I guess you are blue. So Chase, you can open the blue door. Inside the blue masham was James. Where's Marshall? I need something red, muttered Marshall. McQueen, you're red. Please can you come with me? Anything to help out, replied McQueen. Well done, Marshall. You brought me something red. So you can open the final red door. Inside the red masham was Cruz. Well done, Paw Patrollers. You've learnt your colours.
Belle is a big blue engine on the island of Sodor. She can shoot jets of water to put out fires and has a big brass bell. At Knapford Station, Toby was just leaving as Belle entered.
Good morning, Thomas.
Good morning, Belle.
Who's that, Thomas?
That is my good friend Toby. He is the oldest steam tram on Sodor.
Did I just hear his bell?
Yes, Toby does have a bell.
I have a bell too. Listen.
Wow, you and Toby could be very good friends.
Where is he off to?
He's going back to his shed. Maybe you should go and play with him.
Yes, great idea, Thomas. I'll go and see him.
And Belle left the station. Soon, Belle stopped next to Toby's shed.
Hi, Toby. I'm Belle.
Hello, Belle.
Toby, we both have bells. We could have fun together.
But Toby was happy listening to the birds. I'm having fun listening to the birds, Belle. But Belle didn't think this was fun at all.
Toby, come with me. I know how we can have even more fun.
Toby was worried, but he followed Belle anyway. Belle took Toby to the bridge.
Okay, Toby, let's race up the bridge, then go down it really fast. It'll be fun.
But Toby didn't think it'll be very fun for him at all. So when Belle raced off to climb the bridge, Toby backed away and hid behind some trees. Belle went up the bridge and then really fast back down.
Wow, that was fun, wasn't it, Toby?
But there was no reply because Toby wasn't there.
Toby, where have you gone?
Belle was puzzled, so she went back over the bridge looking for Toby. She soon found him hiding behind some trees.
There you are, Toby.
I'm sorry, Belle. I'm an old steam tram. I'm not very good at going fast. Belle really wanted Toby to be her friend.
Don't worry, Toby. I have another idea how we can both have fun. Follow me.
Toby was still worried, but he followed her anyway. Soon, Belle and Toby arrived at Farmer Trotter's farm to watch the pigs. Toby smiled. I love watching the pigs. It's very fun. This made Belle happy.
See, I knew we could have fun.
Then an idea flew into Belle's funnel.
Pigs like mud. Watch this, Toby.
And water jets shot out of Belle. Toby was scared. He had never seen an engine do that before, so he steamed away to hide.
Look at the mud we've made, Toby. Toby? Toby?
But there was no reply because Toby wasn't there. Soon, Belle found Toby hiding in a tunnel.
There you are, Toby.
I'm sorry, Belle. I'm an old steam tram. I'm not used to water jets. Belle really wanted Toby to be her friend.
Don't worry, Toby. I have another idea how we can have fun. Follow me.
Toby was still worried, but followed Belle anyway. Soon, they arrived at Maithwaite Station. Belle rang her big brass bell. It was the loudest bell the passengers had ever heard.
Everyone, we are the Bells of Sodor.
The passengers really did not like the loud noise, and neither did Toby, so he steamed away back to his shed.
Your turn, Toby. Toby? Toby?
But there was no reply because Toby wasn't there. Belle wanted to find her friend Toby, so she steamed away. She soon found him back at his shed. Belle felt silly.
I'm sorry, Toby. I wanted to have fun with you, so you would be my friend. but you didn't have fun. And now I'm sure you won't want to be my friend.
Then there was silence. Belle heard the birds tweeting and twerping.
The birds are beautiful.
She said. Toby smiled. I know. They both had fun listening to them. Belle, would you like to go and see the pigs again? I left without saying goodbye.
Of course, Toby.
Hello, pigs. This is my friend, Belle. Toby and Belle had fun watching the pigs.
Toby, would you like to go back to Maithwaite Station? I think there are passengers there who want to say hello.
So Toby and Belle chuffed to Maithwaite Station. Everyone at the station was pleased to see Toby. Hello everyone, this is my good friend Belle. And Toby quietly rang his bell. Belle beamed and also quietly rang her bell. We are the Bells of Sodor, aren't we, Belle? Belle beamed. She couldn't have been happier. Hey guys, Chris here. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to Toy Trains for You if you haven't already. Hope to see you soon. Bye.